Welcome to Dev Errors Fixed. Today, the very first error almost everyone hits in Python. Module not found error, no module name something. It looks scary, but here's the secret. It almost never means the module is broken. It means Python looked for it and couldn't find it. We'll trigger it live, read exactly what it says, and walk the 4 things that cause it. Let's go. UMA is what it means. When you write import something, you're telling Python, go find a module by that name. Python then searches a fixed list of folders, and if the module isn't in any of them, it gives up with module not found error. So this is a can't find it error, not an it's broken error. That distinction is the whole key to fixing it fast. Visually, here's the flow. Import a request sends Python walking down its path, the current folder, then the installed packages folder, and so on. If it finds requests somewhere on that path, great, the module loads. If it reaches the end and it's nowhere, you get the error, and notice it tells you the exact name it couldn't find. That name is your biggest clue. Lot of push. Let's write a tiny script to trigger it. Here's app.py. It imports requests, a popular third-party package for making web requests, then a small function get that's supposed to return the HTTP status code for a URL. The body is empty for now, just the shape. Let's fill it in. The body is 2 lines. Send a GET request to the URL with requests, then hand back its status code, the number like 200 for OK or 404 for not found. At the bottom we print the result for example.com. Perfectly normal code. The catch, it only works if the request package is actually installed where we're running it. Let's run it. python3app.py. And there it is, live. Trace back, and on the last line, module not found error, no module named requests. This is the moment that stops so many beginners. But it's not a dead end, it's Python telling us exactly what's missing. So read it, don't panic at it. The last line is always the real error, and it literally names the module it wants, requests. That single word is what you'll install or check the spelling of or rename. With that in hand, here are the 4 reasons this happens and the fix for each. Number 1, and the most common, it's simply not installed, so you install it with pip install requests. Number 2, a typo, the package is request with an S, not request. Number 3, you installed it but into a different Python, a different virtual environment, so check which Python you're running and what pip list shows. And number 4, the sneaky one, you have your own file called requests.py sitting right there, and it's shadowing the real package, so rename your file. Ours is called number 1, so let's fix it. We install it, pip install requests, and pip confirms successful installed. Then we run the exact same script again, and this time 200. No traceback, no error, just the status code we wanted. Same code, same command. The only thing that changed is that the module is now where Python looks. Quick recap, read the last line, it names the module, then check the 4 things. Is it installed? Did you spell it right? Are you in the right environment? And is a local file shadowing it? 90% of the time it's just pip install and you're done. Module not found error is never a mystery, it's Python telling you exactly what it couldn't find. A quick note, if this cleared it up for you, the wallets are on screen and there's a Ko-fi link below. Every tip funds the next fix. Thank you. That's a module not found error solved. A new dev error fixed from scratch every episode. Subscribe so you catch the next one. Tell me in the comments which error keeps biting you, and I'll see you there.